TradeStation is a name that doesn't come up often when you talk about brokers or online brokers. They used to be a more professional brokerage for people who actively traded, but recently it seems like they're trying to break into the world with zero commissions and lower general commissions overall, along with updating their platform to be more user-friendly. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher, and it's Minute Monday, which means we need to answer the question, is TradeStation worth it, in just a few short minutes. With that said, let's tap the like button and get into it. I mean, really, just turn it blue down there. I'd really appreciate it. Now, I used to use TradeStation as my preferred option broker years ago, but then I decided I want to simplify everything to one broker, which is when I switched to ETrade. And I also really liked ETrade Pro at that point in time, but now ETrade isn't really putting too much money into developing a better ETrade Pro, and TradeStation is putting money into developing their platform. ETrade has some great options for active and non-active investors with their automated investing, and while TradeStation doesn't really have that. I still see TradeStation as a broker for more active traders. Now, they do offer commission-free trades, so don't let me saying that contribute to you not choosing TradeStation, because their trades are free and you can definitely build a portfolio with their platform. The bad thing about TradeStation though is that they don't offer drip investing. All the other big name brokers offer drip investing, which is dividend reinvestment program, which means like if Apple, let's say they had a dividend the other day, they give you the dividend and that gets immediately reinvested to buy fractional shares of the company. Now, most brokers offer that, but TradeStation doesn't. So if you're trying to go for real long-term growth with dividend reinvestment, then you can't choose TradeStation, or at least you shouldn't. TradeStation still touts the speed and execution quality of orders on their website, which means I don't think they're really going for the big retail bunch like ETrade and Robinhood and TD Ameritrade are going for. I have to say, when I was trading with them, their fills were on point and everything happened so quick. Unlike ETrade, where I'll submit the order and it's like a millisecond, but it's a noticeable delay before the order goes out and then can be filled and it's on the active market. Now, I'm not scalping penny stocks, but it is nice to have an order filled right away. Honestly, their platform also rivals Thinkorswim, which is a platform I use for charting and showing all the different charts that you've probably seen on this channel. But TradeStation comes in at a very close second because their platform is really good for charting. Combine the order entry with TradeStation and you have a really good platform for active traders. So why did I switch? I switched because I stopped doing so much active trading, or at least super active trading. Plus, they were the last ones to lower their commissions to zero, which meant I was still paying $5 plus 50 cents per contract on option trades, which is just a lot of money to be paying to trade. Commissions are probably what eats into profits the most if you ever consider trading, or if you look at professional traders who do it for a living, commissions definitely take a toll out of their overall profits. If I were to establish an option trading series on this channel, which is looking more and more likely, I'd probably switch back to TradeStation because they offer great fills and just a great platform for option trading. Also, TradeStation has one feature which I found to be incredible when you're considering option trading. Here's the thing with options. Your option price is based on the underlying security's price. So why can't you submit an order to sell when the underlying security hits a certain price? Well, with TradeStation, you can do that. Let's say I had a trade idea. I wanted to short SPY with puts when it hit 330 and then sell when it hit 328. Now, typically you'd have to manually go and do that for both the buy and both the sell. But with TradeStation, you could do both automated. So you know it's gonna hit 330, you tell it to submit a market order, which is unfortunate, it has to be market, but it does, to buy when it hits 330, and then you could sell it when SPY hits 328 without you having to come in and manually do it. It just sells it based off the price of the underlying security. There's no other big name brokers that I've found that have this ability, and I think it's the best perk of TradeStation, especially for option trading. In the end, TradeStation is a great platform for the active investor, but if you're not out there scalping penny stocks or trading options very actively, then it's not really worth it to go with them. Sure, they offer zero commissions and the same thing as everybody else, but they don't have drip, and automated investing isn't there, so they're not necessarily worth it to go with for the long term. If you're semi-active though, it doesn't hurt to get an account with them. Their minimums are $2,000, and then you can get experience on their platform and see how you like it. Let me know down in the comments if you've even heard of TradeStation, or if I'm just talking into the air right now. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on travel and finance. If that sounds like of something interesting to you, make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.